viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be shooting about God's green earth, Mother Nature. So I'll be taking a walk down through a bushy path in Lagos, Nigeria, in Africa.
Beyond the cities in Asia lies a treasure trove of incredible creatures and untouched wilderness. A wild wonder where ancient traditions and nature have lived in harmony for centuries. Wild Asia, Tuesday nights from 9:30 on National Geographic Wild.
You can see the green plants, the insects, the beauty of nature. I filmed this with an Apple iPhone 13, so I'll be running a quick advert on that product.
In the jungle, where only you will go.
Not like a rain season that you easily
find them.
Yes.
It's because of the rain that fell yesterday.
Yes. Everywhere is dry.
All these places were dry before.
Yes. To get it is not easy. To get it is not easy.
They come out when everywhere is moist.
Yes. And even it's a rain season, I will not be struggle to be getting it.
Yeah. Okay, I was lucky enough to meet someone who was hunting for earthworms for fishing. Going on the freeway.
This is not a line, it's a path. The only path for these people.
Let's go.
They're not defined by frontiers. What's too far? Too high? Too deep?
It was very emotional just being on the site.
Or too dangerous?
We're heading to meet a drug operation.
They search out challenges
Wish me luck.
just to take them on.
One car that I am going to move heaven and earth for is this one.
They know the risks,
This is mad.
It's a big snake.
but they seek the rewards.
Wow, it's amazing.
So beautiful.
They're driven to ask why,
These investigations are like a jigsaw puzzle.
and why the heck not?
My heart is pumping. Love that noise.
You just gotta go with it.
It's just amazing.
Follow the path less traveled, with brand new shows coming this year on National Geographic.
If you're joining my channel for the very first time, this is Doco U Films. Tell me what you think about nature in your own country. Drop your suggestions and comments on the comment box. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share.